Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how can you use the static event card for your template. So this is the custom built block for our templates. And if you go to the add block and add search for event, you can see the static event card. This is static. This is a static event card, and we already used it on a custom section. And you can see this is the static event card, and when I go in, you can see that default Kajabi sections options are like the columns layout for mobile and desktop. And we have some option available for the event. And we can upload an image, and this image will show on the right side of the event card. And then we have some date option that will show at the top left. And after that, we have the name of the event, and this is the address. And we also have a label option like this one. A nice label will show at the top of the title. This is the event label. Also, we have some options to add a link to this card. So when you add a link, this whole card will be clickable. Also, we have an option to upload a address icon. By default, when you don't upload an image for the address icon, this default map icon will show. So this is the basic settings. Now we will dive to the typography option. This is the typography option, and this is the event tag. Okay, so we have some tag option like the p tag to h4 h6 tag, and this will take the uh, automatic font options for that heading. So you don't need to worry about the set font styling, sizing. This will follow the global settings. And this is the event time color. Also, we have some several colors here. For example, this is the color for the time. So it is at the top of the title. And then we have event name color, address color, and event label color. Now, let's dive to the background options. So this is the custom background options that is available for all our blocks. And this is very easy to use. You can use the predefined color that is available on the global settings. And then we have the background options that is available for all uh, block of the Kajabi. And that's it. And you can use this event for any type of events, or you can be creative by using this event card to anything. Okay, so that's it, and thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.